Hello again, curry peeps. It's Misty Ricardo, Richard Sace. I'm at Bhaji Fresh Takeaway in Warrington again, and this time the chef is going to cook a chicken pasanda. It's quite a simple dish to cook because a lot of the things have been prepared already. And the chef's heating up the pan nicely, and he's going to add pre-prepared paste, which is made with almonds, coconuts, butter ghee, and onions and carrots. Sorry. So he puts a bit of cream in as well. Mixes it well. Sure.
Half a chef spoon.
Yeah, half a chef spoon of natural set yogurts, which happens to be low fat.
Yeah, very low fat. Yeah.
Very low fat yogurts. And there's no oil added to this curry to start with because there's butter ghee
already
in the paste. And you've cooked that paste down presumably for a while.
4 hours.
4 hours?
Yeah. So we leave it overnight.
Yep.
Let it cool down.
Yep.
So we come back the next day, reheat it.
Yep.
Then we add the coconut.
Yep.
The almond.
Yep.
And cream, fresh cream.
Yes.
And then we blend it with the blender machine.
Right.
And it's set.
I see. I hope you heard that okay. Chef's now adding a dash of masala sauce to just give it a bit of a tang.
Yeah,
I'll talk about the masala sauce in another video. And the chef's adding some base gravy. I didn't see any mixed powder going. Is that not? No. Okay.
We don't put any mixed powder in.
Okay. No mixed powder.
You know, the chicken tikka.
Oh, your chicken tikka. Yep, that's fine. Even better.
There you go. And just going to leave it on.
Just leave it. Yeah. Leave it to cook.
Leave it to cook. Set it for about 3-4 minutes, and that's it.
3 or 4 minutes later, we'll come back. So while this is bubbling away, the chef's just had an order in, so he's keeping busy cooking more curry.
You want to make one of your favourite madrasas?
Huh? Oh yeah, love that madras. You find the coconut and almond powders tend to stick a bit.
Stick a bit on
yeah.
the but it takes quite longer to make the curry thick.
Yes.
Because my base is already pre-made.
Yep.
And the busy time makes life easy, and it goes exactly the same of what you're using. So
yep.
You know exactly what I've put in. It's going to be perfect every time I give the.
Yes. Okay. So it takes a bit of time to reduce down, of course. So you're just giving it a stir intermittently to make sure it doesn't burn.
That's ready. Most likely, the word you use is it gloopy?
Yeah, no, that's a bad word. For me, it's a bad word. Some people like it, but no, I mean it's a great looking sauce. And I suppose when it's cooled down a bit, it thickens up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it thickens up. Yeah. So that's ready. Just going to take in the pan.
Yep. So you're going to taste it. I bought my own spoons this time, chef.
No problem. Perfect.
Right, let's give this pasanda a taste. It's still very hot. That is really good. I think what he's done with the paste there, the way they've been cooked, it's got a beautiful flavour. I'm not normally someone who likes mild, creamy curries, but I could get used to this. Nice job, Abdul. Let's try some of this chicken tikka. Yeah, that's so good. Lovely. Well, thank you for watching. And if you're in the Warrington area, do pop into Bhaji Fresh on Knutsford Road. And I'll see you all again soon.